Today we're going to properly show you how to clean and maintain your LDV tool truck floor. To start off, the chemicals and the products that you will need is Pine Sol mixed with a 50-50 solution, a scrub brush that you can pick up at your local hardware store, shop rags or old t-shirts that you can cut up and use, a artificial sheepskin applicator for the floor sealer, and then we have our Armstrong S-480 floor polish to finish it up and give you that nice shine that you're looking for. So to start off, you're going to sweep out the floor, make sure there's no debris, and then you're going to spray some of your Pine Sol on the floor, and you're going to take your scrub brush and in a circular motion kind of clean it up, break up any of the loose debris, and then you'll take your rag and wipe it off, get all of the dirt and the grime off of it. And sometimes, depending on how dirty your floor is, you can go ahead and spray it one more time, because you want to make sure that the floor is nice and clean before you put down that last floor polish. You'll put just a small amount on the floor. It'll go on like a white bluish cream, and then you will take your applicator and evenly spread it out across the floor. It'll kind of foam up a little bit. That's what you want to do, and that's the perfect amount to add. It usually takes about a half hour to dry before you can walk on it. So this is the way to properly clean and maintain your LDV tool truck floor.